Hey guys, this video is exactly about what's written in the title and the thumbnail. But before we get started, I want to tell you that I just need 40 subscribers to reach 1000, so I need your help to achieve the target. Once I have 1000 subscribers completed, I'll drop a special video in which I'll share some stuff I have achieved with AI in a very friendly tone, and I hope it is going to be beneficial for you. Anyway, let's get straight to this video. This video, I'm going to show you how I write my prompts, quality prompts when I'm building on top of OpenAI, LLMs, or any other. It doesn't matter. So basically, there are lots of courses you can get, like how to do prompt engineering. You have to think, be creative, have lots of prior knowledge, and so on. But in this video, I'm exactly showing you how I get it done without thinking at all, without being any creative at all, and how I am achieving a very quality prompts that works for me most of the time. So first of all, I go to ChatGPT, go to my GPTs and create a GPT. So my goal is not to create a GPT, but instead I just want help to create a quality prompt. All right. So for example, so I want a quality prompt which I can give to LLM so that the LLM start responding as like I will give some text as input, and from that text it will fetch keywords for me, right? So let's use GPT Builder. I will give you text as input and need you to fetch keywords from the text, nothing else. I need you to be very straightforward without any explanation or extra text, etc. Be straight to the point for what I said earlier, keywords extraction. So this is just a raw text I am giving to the GPT builder. While writing this text, I did not try to be creative, think before what should be the next word and so on. I just said whatever I want in my own broken English and hit enter. Let's see how it responds. Okay, so it's done. Now it's asking me to give it a name and so on. I am not interested. I will click now configure. And here I am looking at a very precise instructions that says the GPT is designed to analyze text input and extract keywords. It will focus solely on identifying and providing the relevant keywords, ensuring a straightforward, concise response without any additional explanation or extraneous content. So you can see how good it is. Imagine you writing your own prompt and compare it with this one. I mean, this is on next level. So I'm going to test it as well. I will just copy this. I'll go to OpenAI Playground. I will select GPT-4 and in system, I will paste this prompt. So I am going to tweak it as well. So I will not say the GPT is, but instead I'll say you are designed to analyze text and so on. Here, instead of saying it will focus, I will say you will focus. Okay, that's it. Now I am going to input some text. Okay, I am getting my input text from my YouTube channel about section. I will give this text as input. I'll just copy. I'll paste it here as input and click submit. So look at this. GPT-4 is exactly following whatever I asked for. It did not add any extra stuff. For example, here are your keywords, and then it start giving me keywords. It did not add anything before or after my desired output and so on. It's just because of this quality prompt which we get from our GPT creator. I am using this most of the time, like I have been doing a project for content regeneration under certain rules and so on. If I would do it manually, I had to think and so on. But when I use GPT creator, it gives me very quality prompts. I just use it and most of the time it works on the very first try. Yeah, it needs some tweaking. Maybe if I run it again and again, the output might be different. It's not because of the prompt, but also there are various factors. But overall, this is what I do as a so-called Gen AI expert. So guys, you have two different paths. Either you just do it the hard way by thinking and so on because you want to achieve something great. On the other hand, you have an easy path to not think, not spend your time on that and still achieve something great. So I would choose the second path. I believe in smart work. to achieve great results. So yeah, I would recommend the same to you guys. And if this video was helpful at all, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure I reach 1000 subs in this December. Thank you so much for watching.